Hi YouTube! Today we're making a no-sew origami bag. I'm using a square piece of cotton canvas as the paper. It's cut with the selvage as one of its sides. Here I fold the square into a triangle and I crease the folds with a hot iron. I will show you how to calculate the fabric size at the end of the video. When you fold the triangle, the selvage should be in this position at the bottom right hand side of the triangle. Next, I fold and crease the corners of the opposite sides. Then tuck the top triangle piece into the fold. This will also create an extra front pocket. We're almost done. Just tuck and iron the back piece into the bag. I'm using grommets to hold the handles. I set them 4 inches away from the midpoint. The hole punch doesn't work so well with the cotton fabric. After making some indentations, I went in to cut out the holes with a pair of scissors. To install the grommet, put the male side of the grommet through all the holes. This is the female part of the grommet. When you place it on top, the rounded side is facing up. I moved the bag onto a hard surface, like onto the floor, to get better results when setting the grommet. If you want, you can also box the bottom. You just align the corners to the center of the bag. After you make the holes for one of the corners, you can just transfer the holes to the other side. I use screw-on back feet to create the box corners. To calculate the fabric square, I use ratios to scale up the paper origami piece. A 15 centimeter square piece makes a paper cup that's 9 centimeters wide by 7 centimeters tall. So if I want to make a bag that is 42 centimeters wide, I cross multiply the ratio to get the square's side. Then I can use this number to find the bag's height. So I hope you enjoyed this little experimentation, and thanks for watching.